everyone. Welcome to another episode of Pilates with Pooja. Today we are going to work on our stability and mostly our abs and also our quads. We are also targeting our booty for today's workout. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. It keeps me motivated to keep churning out better content for you all. Without any further ado, let's get into the workout.
Hello everyone, hope you're excited for today's workout. Today's workout is a full body workout as well. So today we're beginning with this exercise in which we're basically getting into a side lunge, and we're gonna try to reach our toe with our fingers, right? So make sure you're breathing, make sure your core is engaged, and keep going. Don't forget to have fun and throw a smile in there, here and there. Alright. Now this exercise is really good for your lower body, so your quads, your side booty. Now coming on to this exercise, you basically sit into a backward lunge and then come ahead to kick forwards, right? Again, throughout, not to mention, keep your core engaged and keep breathing. Make sure that your back remains straight as well. I inhale when I am up and exhale when I lunge and kick forward. Okay? Now moving on to the third exercise of the routine. I basically have a dumbbell in my hand and I'm focusing on my stability in this one. I start with the dumbbell, take it behind my ears, and then try to get my body in one straight line as I get the dumbbell down and almost parallel with the standing leg. So this is a great exercise to work on your stability as well as your booty, right? Adding the dumbbell is basically giving you an extra challenge. You can also skip it. Now for the next exercise, you're basically going to kick your leg into a tabletop position and then kick your leg backwards. So you can see that this is a little bit of a bar Pilates routine. So again, kick your leg forwards, I think 4 times, and then you can kick backwards 4 times with your leg in tabletop. That's the key, to have your leg in tabletop throughout. Get your leg in tabletop, kick forwards, and then kick backwards. Now for the final exercise of the routine, we are again incorporating the kick into this one. We squat, come to the center, kick backwards, again squat, come to the center and kick backwards. I took this 1 kg dumbbell in my hand because I wasn't feeling challenged enough. So you could either take it or skip it, it's up to you. So I hope you had a great workout. Make sure you follow the Pilates principles and have a great workout. Bye bye.
So everyone, that was our workout for today. Hope you had a kick-ass workout. We worked our almost our entire body, and the element of stability really gave me a amazing challenge for today. So hope you had a great workout. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.